Hello and welcome back to Retired Happy. I'm Carolyn, a retired happy friend in Mississippi. And this is going to air early, but I wanted to let you know that I want you to come back Monday. I will be posting a video on bruschetta. Summer has arrived and it feels like summer, so I'm making a quick, easy, wonderful summer salad. I found out about it when I went to Italy, and we had it several times in Italy, and I have made it many times since, but it's a wonderful light salad with fresh tomato, fresh basil from my garden, fresh mozzarella cheese, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, pepper, and salt, and I put that over. You can put it over the bruschetta bread. I use my sourdough bread, so I'll show you that. I'll also show you how I did my little watercolor note card, so that will be a watercolor demonstration, and that's on Monday. Wednesday, I'm planning on making the pineapple cherry crisp, and it is in the Maggie's cookbook, or Cooking with Maggie cookbook. And then our sewing project, I'm going to be showing how to make this little pyramid pin cushion. So I had a request for that. So that will be the Sewing with Me project on Wednesday with the cherry, pineapple cherry crisp. So I hope you'll tune in Wednesday for that. And tomorrow's Sunday. I hope everybody is in the church of their choice and worshiping according to your belief and your religion. And if any of you are following what's going on in Israel or listening to the news, and you can't watch the news without knowing a little bit about what's going on with Israel right now, but I have been following a YouTube creator who lives in Israel for a pretty good while now. She's a knitter, crocheter, and her name is Moran. So if you would like to follow her, in the last week she has been able to give 2 updates on what's going on in their area. And her YouTube channel is Crochet Object, O-B-J-E-T, knitting. And I'll put that in the comment in the description below. So if you'd like to watch and subscribe to her channel, then you'll get updates as she posts them. And it helps her if you feel inclined to send her an encouraging note or to let her know that we are aware of what's going on in Israel and we're praying for their safety and a quick end to the war and peace in her area. So I'll put that in the box below. So share your smile with everyone till I see you back on Monday for the bruschetta and the watercolor note card, on Wednesday for the pineapple cherry crisp, and making the cute little pyramid pin cushion. Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you so much for joining. And until Monday, have a good weekend.